I would say the most misunderstood thing about ammo and what people usually don't know is how vast ammo's reach is. We do have 9 separate elements here at the EMS. Without ammo, every Air Force base is just another commercial airline.
You know, at first, it sounds complicated, like building bombs and all that, but you get the hang of it. Like, it really means something to be a part of a job like this, especially with a crew. Like, if you have a good crew, like a good rhythm going, it's the people you bond with make it really worth it, this job.
The most fun part about my job is coming in knowing that I'm going to get to hang out with some of my best friends for 8 hours. Maybe more sometimes, you know, we mess around, joke around, we go to lunch together. I mean, it's really, the camaraderie in ammo is really something special.
You meet all different kinds of people, and you need to take a different approach with every single person to really squeeze every ounce of potential out of them that they have and what they can give you. And that can differ from person to person and what motivates somebody, and finding that out and getting to know somebody is great, and having that person on your team when you've molded them to be what the Air Force needs and what ammo needs. It's just a beautiful thing. That's what I enjoy the most.